Hey guys, today we're going to do some chicken wings on the Blackstone. This one I didn't really plan too much ahead of time. I know I wanted them for lunch today, and so this is going to be a super quick video. So what I used here, let me give you guys a better view. So right now what I have them on here, I did a kind of a dry rub of just one and done sauce, or one and done seasoning. You can see it in the description there, there's a link. And I have it in the shade here, but let me bring it out into the sun. Maybe you can see it a little better. So just 2 packs of party wings from Giant. Now the party wings at Giant, they're already cut up, so you don't have to do the cutting and everything, which is probably twice as expensive, but easier for me. So now over here we have the griddle going. I have it on low heat. I'm going to throw some oil down and then we'll get going. But I'm not gonna do a super long video with this. It'll be a nice quick one. So let me get everything set up again here and take a look at my intro, the other videos going on my channel. Take this time, hit the subscribe button, and let's get going. All right, throw down some oil. Make sure everything gets some crispiness. And let's throw some of these guys on. Again, I have it low right now. These guys will burn up if you let them. I did these before, but I don't do them often enough. And I was thinking, I wanted these for lunch. I was like, would I rather just throw some oil in the Blackstone and get them going? Or did I want to get charcoal all ready? And I figured the easier option for me, even with the cleanup, is going to be on the Blackstone. And they come out nice too. So hopefully these guys will come out. All right. Let's fast forward over to them being done a little bit more. I'm going to clean this up so we can use it to put them on after. All right, it's been about 10 minutes since I last saw you. You can see they're starting to brown up pretty good. So I'm just kind of moving them around. Don't want them to burn up. You see they're whitening up too. I'm probably gonna do them a little longer than I would think because it's tough to stab these guys. I'm gonna attempt to stab them to see what temperature they're at, but they're so small, they really shouldn't take that long. As long as I keep moving them around nice enough. I don't know why I'm using that. I can just... But you can hear them sizzling pretty good. Kind of using some to prop up other ones, so I can lay them how I want them. But yeah, it should be maybe another 10 minutes or so, 10-15. On the grill, it'd probably take about 15-20 minutes. Oh, and if you're wondering, so I have the temperature set at low, I told you, but it's actually with the temp gun anywhere between 330 and 350. It's pretty hot out today. All right, so we're getting pretty close on temperature here. My probe is actually being broken. It won't do Fahrenheit anymore. So I stabbed a couple of the bigger ones. They're showing about 70, 71 Celsius. 73.8 Celsius is what we're looking for, which is 165 Fahrenheit. So figure what I'll do now, put some of the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue on here. I'm not going to do all of them, do about half. They're already seasoned with that one and done, which is awesome just by itself. But I wanted to do at least half of these in barbecue, and then people can add barbecue afterwards if they want to. So I'm just using a little stupid silicone mop with the Sweet Baby Ray's. Figured I'd cook it in. You can still hear them sizzle. They're sizzling like crazy. These are looking good. Oh, you can smell that. So, wanted to just do about half. Put way too much sauce in this bowl. Get back over some of these others. And we'll get this guy too. All right. Come around home stretch. So, thing is on here, you do want to make sure you move them around, otherwise they will get burned. So right now I'm just putting them all on the, putting them down on whatever white side I can find. Paint up some more of these guys. Oh, these are going to be great. All right, that's probably about as good on those guys. All right. All right, it's been in about another 15 minutes or so. So these guys over here, they're looking like they're burnt, but they're not. That's just the barbecue reacting to the griddle. And these guys over here. So everybody looks happy. I just stabbed them. All the drumsticks are all above 165, which means all these little guys are definitely good as well. So I'm gonna get these on this pan. I'm gonna put the barbecue ones on this side. So I can get them all. And these guys over here on this side. But this was a nice, easy, it took a little longer than I thought, but a nice, easy meal. And you got some wings. So thanks for watching. Again, you know, leave some comments. Let me know what you think. I gotta start cleaning up this griddle now. But leave some comments, subscribe, let me know what you think. We'll see you next time.